My name is Keith Hagler. I'm a buy here, pay here dealer in Taylor, Texas. I own Taylor Auto Credit for the last 35 years. I've also been president of our national association, NIADA, as well as president of our Texas association, TIDA. I believe in being very involved in associations and for what they do for all of us as dealers, legislatively and educational-wise. Today I was going to talk to you about problems that we've had in the past, and now things are doing a lot better. Before, we never had, as far as insurance, 35 years ago, it really didn't matter as much because our car costs, our ACVs were low. Insurance wasn't a big factor back then when we had accidents. We just, as dealers, just took the wrecks. But today, as we move forward, our ACVs have gotten more and more and more expensive. They just keep climbing. And so insurance has really become a major part of my business. The problem we had, and have had for several years in the past, was trying to keep our customers with insurance. They were constantly dropping in the insurance, or they would have wrecks on their way to get insurance, is what they would say. So the cost was in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. And it hurt my sales as well, because trying to sell to somebody that you knew weren't going to be able to get insurance, probably weren't going to keep insurance, even hurt my sales. But since that time, I've gotten CPI with Bill Murphy, and has totally changed the insurance side of my business. Now I have an insurance lady that handles it. My customers either have outside insurance or they have CPI. The CPI just works great in many cases, especially getting the car fixed. It's so easy. The time to get it fixed, to get them back in the car, we all know is very important. With CPI, that is not an issue. Where outside insurance companies, you have to wait and wait and wait, and hopefully they pay you at some point. So that part has just been amazing to us. Another big thing that I always thought with CPI was my customers couldn't afford it. It would affect our bottom line. It affect my cash flow, affect my payments. It has not at all. It's been a great income source through my offshore doing the CPI. So that part has worked out well, and my customers really like it because they know we can handle the claims so much quicker. Probably, I guess you would have to say that the best decision I've made since I've been in business is getting with Bill Murphy and getting CPI. Probably the worst decision I've ever made is waiting so long to get with Bill Murphy and getting CPI.
Hi, I'm Bill Murphy with CP Insurance Associates. You just heard from one of our customers, Keith Hagler, owner of Taylor Auto Credit. Keith, like many other dealers that are on our program, have really benefited from the collateral protection insurance program that we developed some 21 years ago. I was a buy here, pay here dealer in Austin, Texas. Our biggest problem was our customers did not keep insurance. And it did not matter who they bought it from or who they got it from, they didn't keep insurance. First of all, it was too expensive. And secondly, from the lien holder standpoint, many of the companies that were offering insurance did not offer the coverage that the lien holder really needed for his protection. As Keith pointed out, back then, insurance was not as important to the dealer because of the cost of cars being so low. That has changed dramatically, especially over the past 5 or 6 years. And just this past year, with the COVID virus impacting the marketplace, we all know and have seen firsthand what the cost of vehicles has done. Consequently, insurance and having your own CPI program is not only the best way to go, it's really the only way to go for a buy here, pay here dealer. So in today's marketplace, a buy here, pay here dealer needs a product like collateral protection insurance. We are the inventors of the product. We know more about collateral protection insurance than anyone else because we've been doing it at least 10 years longer than anyone else. We have 21 years of loss ratio information. We sit down and customize the program with the dealer because every buy here, pay here dealer is different. You have different car costs, you have a different customer base, all the things that go along with determining whether you're going to sell a car or not to a customer is what helps us determine what kind of premium you need to be charging for your customers. Typically, a buy here, pay here dealer with a CPI program is going to have a premium that is roughly 50% less than what the customer would have to pay for coverages that may not be as good as what your CPI program offers. On top of getting your cars fixed, keeping your customers, and having a profitable CPI program for you, the dealer, it just doesn't get any better than that. So, think about what you've been through with the traditional insurance companies. What are their premiums going to do? They're going to increase. Your car payment can't increase because if it did, your customer would turn back your car. But what happens when his outside insurance premium increases? He stops paying for the insurance. Your CPI premium stays the same through the term of the note. And we have the history to be able to show you how that works in your best interest. So if you're a dealer that sells 15 to 20 cars a month or more, you need to talk to us. Give my partner Bob Burke a call at 1-800-366-0036 or call me at 512-799-2886 and we'll be happy to help you. God bless and have a great 2020.